back to our YouTube channel. Today it's gonna be playtime with Leo and Santi. Say hi, Leo.
Hi.
Santi, say hi. Mira, say hi. Cutie. Okay, so today we're going to do arts and crafts. We have all of these fun stuff that we're going to play with. So I hope you guys enjoy. You want to play tic-tac-toe with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take everything off the table then.
Yeah.
Come on, Santi.
Please, I go away.
Here, baby. Santi, siéntate aquí. Okay. There you go. So Santi can be in the video too. You scoot in a little. Okay, guys. Okay, Santi is over there playing. So now what we're going to do is some caterpillars with the pom-poms. So, and we have glue sticks. I couldn't find like the glue. So let's touch them.
Oh, it's so yummy.
Yeah. So do you know how a caterpillar looks?
Yeah.
Let me get one of these crayons that Santi left around here. We got Buzz crayons. Okay, so I'm gonna make the line and you have to put those pom-poms on the line, okay? Hey, Santi, have it. Come over here. Ugh. Okay, yeah, he can have some pom-poms. There you go, baby. Okay, baby. So let me show you how this is done first, okay? And then you can finish. Look, Leo, like this. So you're gonna make a circle, and then you're going to put your little color right there. And then a circle, and let's go for our next color right there. I hope they stick. Oh, look at him. Okay, your turn. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, Santi. Oh, Santi, no, baby. Hold on, these are glued. Awesome, look at your little caterpillar.
Yeah.
Oh no, we lost one. Let's re-glue that one. Push it in. Awesome, make sure that sticks in there. Okay, tap it. Tap it. Yeah, make sure they're in. Okay, let's put the cap back on the glue. Oh, like that. Let's put that right there. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. You can hold it.
Wow. Whoa. What?
How do you spell your name?
L-E-O.
Good job, Leo. Put it down right here. It's an L. We're still learning how to write, so. Oh, right here, like this. Good job. Good job. There you go. We're learning. Yeah, okay. What's next? So now we're going to do Forky. We need googly eyes, these stems, and we're going to use a spoon. So I bought a pack right here. I need to give the kids an ice cream so I can get their popsicle sticks. So let's take a break. Scoot in, baby. Yeah, there you go. That looks better. So they're enjoying their ice cream right now. I need those popsicle sticks so we can make Forky's feet sticks. So I'm gonna actually kind of start while they eat. Let's see who finishes their ice cream first.
Me.
You think so? Baby's actually a good ice cream eater, so we'll see.
Yeah.
You silly boy. Santi is obsessed with Toy Story, so anything Toy Story, we're here getting it. So here's Bonnie's classroom. Here's when they were at the fair. And this is where Duke Kaboom did his jump. So now he has stickers to put on here and, you know, make a scene of it. So we're actually going to take off Woody. What's his name? Forky, right there, so he can guide us with our cute creation. Oh, these stickers are so nice. So okay, look. These are like, they're not sticky from the back. What are these called? You could call these, let me see. Okay, color forms. Pieces that stick like magic. Oh, okay, cool. I didn't know that. I should have read that. But this is gonna be fun. Now I won't have stickers all over my sofa and the walls too. So these just kind of stick like that. And then you can take them off. Look, he stayed right there, but let's put him down here. Right there. There you go. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with Forky. Ooh. Okay, ice creams. Eat ice cream. No, hold it, baby. I gotta finish. Woody. Oh man. You don't like it? Yeah, I bought them organic blueberry ice creams or something. No, sugar-free or whatnot, so no wonder they don't like them. I'm gonna go take this ice cream off and just get the popsicle sticks. Come on. All right. So I got the popsicle sticks. They did not like the ice cream because I bought them organic blueberry sugar-free ice cream, so not the best, but healthy, I guess. So we're gonna start off with this. They're in this area as well, so let's see how this goes. Spoon, glue sticks. Yeah, I'm gonna glue his eyes right here. But there's his face. I mean his eyes, not his face. Okay. His mouth. I did not buy other little things, Poppy, to make the mouth. But you know what? We do have Play-Doh. Let's take that out, right?
Yeah.
So here is our Play-Doh. It's not a complete set anymore because they've let some Play-Doh dry. But let's see if we can find his light blue mouth to make and red Play-Doh. All right, let's dump it in here. Woohoo! Oh, Santi, look at his face full of ice cream. Okay, where's the light blue? Oh, right here. So we're gonna use this light blue, and apparently there is no red. So we're going to use this kind of hot pink. Okay. So now let's make Forky's eyebrows right there and his little mouth. We're going to wrap him around this way, and then this way, and I'm just gonna do it one last time, and then his hands. So now we're gonna use the Play-Doh to stick the sticks in there. I'm gonna put this in the fridge so that Play-Doh can get hard, and then we can have a functional Forky spoon. Santi, what you doing, Papa?
He's stacking Play-Doh.
He is stacking the Play-Doh. Good job. Good words, Leo. Okay, so I have 4 white poster boards that I bought at the dollar store for 50 cents. This, I bought it at TJ Maxx for $11.99. TJ Maxx is always my go-to when I'm looking for something fun for the kids, clothing, everything. So I'm gonna show them how to make a rainbow, and then, you know, I'm gonna see how they do it.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.